Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the stock page. Today, we'll discuss what are the levels to be marked and traded for tomorrow for Nifty, Bank Nifty, and some stocks. And we also take a small review of yesterday's trades. So yesterday, we have clearly said at higher levels we will see we will face some selling pressure, and below 23,460 we will face selling till 23,320 to 330 levels. So somewhere around Nifty has touched at the same levels and reversed as well. Means also we are clear about that. If it is finding any dip and holding the support, we'll buy for the higher levels. So I expect market is reversed and did around 540 and still closed above very good support levels. So for tomorrow, we'll see what is going to happen. Means what is our expectations for tomorrow. So if you see Nifty, means still we are looking for a bit longer term because the volatility of the market will still exist as where we have seen a very big event means of budget. So that impact will be there for 1-2 days, maybe 3 days. So that's why we'll see bit we'll find out the levels and the bigger time frame to find out the levels for tomorrow. So if you see Nifty, if you are adjoining the recent resistances, so it is coming around somewhere around 23,260 levels. So this is one support, and here if you see adjoin the recent lows, so it is coming to around somewhere around 23,380 levels. So 23,380 levels, as long as holds, we will hold Nifty, and we can expect more till 23,000. These levels like 23,600, and next is 23,730, and next is 23,800 levels. So these three levels will be acting as a resistance for tomorrow, and below 23,380 only will go for a short for 23,260 levels. So as long as it holds 23,380 and 400 levels, we'll buy for 23,600 levels and 23,730 levels and 23,790 to 800 levels. So these are the levels for Nifty. And next we'll look into Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty also, if you see, like we are predicted somewhere around resistance around 49,650 and 50,000. So if you see Bank Nifty exactly around 50,000, means it has made an high of 50,009 and reversed to lower levels. And we also clearly define support around 49,150 and 49,000. So if you see the lows also like 48,925 and 48,940. It has taken the support in between our last support of 48,850 and 49,000. So in between it has taken the support and reversed nicely. So for tomorrow, means still we are expecting some more up move in this. Means as there was nothing good from the budget for banks, so we didn't see such kind of very huge movement in that. And we also have a RBI meet in this week, so we can expect some kind of volatility in this bank stocks as well. So as of now, we could see 49,400 means 390 to 490. 390 to 400 will act as a very good support. And as long as it holds, we can expect movement till 49,900 to 950 levels. So above these levels only, we can see some more up movement till 50,400 to 450 levels. So as long as this levels is not breached, so we'll short again at higher levels and for 49,400. And for any reason, if it breaks 49,390, so we'll go for 49,000 levels. So these are the levels for Bank Nifty. Next, we look into the stock TCS. So as we have expected yesterday, we will see higher levels, means we'll see some selling pressure. And it clearly touched around like 4930. See, if you see like 4130 levels, we have expected some resistance. And at this levels, it has taken resistance and fallen. So if you see now, so TCS will have very good supported 4,030 levels. Below that, this recent loss of 40 means 4,000 levels somewhere around 4,010. So in between 4,000 to 4,030 levels, we have very, very good support for TCS. And above resistance we have means till 4,115, and above this we have next resistance at 4,145-46 levels. So as long as TCS holds this 4,115 on our higher side, so we'll sell it for 4,030. And if it holds 4,030, we'll buy for higher levels of 4,070 and 4,120 levels. Only above this will go hold, means long 4,150 for 4,145. Okay. Next, we'll look into the start Infosys. So Infosys we have means it also has came into the selling zone at higher levels, and it is nicely corrected from higher levels of 1900. I mean 1895, 1900. We have discussed that it is going to be very good resistance for this, and at this levels it has reversed and fallen nicely. So now Infi will have very good resistance 1870. So if it breaks 1870 and sustains above this level for 10-15 minutes, we'll buy for 1895. And as long as it trades below 1865-70 levels, we'll short it for 1830 levels. So these are the levels for Infi. Next, we'll look into SBI. So SBI also, if you see, we have clearly mentioned at 775 to 780, it has having very, very good resistance. And exactly at the levels, it has taken resistance and fallen nicely. So now for tomorrow, we have very good resistance at 768. And above this, we can see up to 779 to 780 levels. So if it's trading below 768 and 69, you can expect movement till 715. So below 759 means we can see fresh short selling. It can fall to 740 or even lower lows. So these are the levels for SBI. We are not expecting that negative at this point of time, but anything could be possible. So we have to never be biased in the market. So we look into both sides always. So whichever the opportunity we get, we'll grab it. So above 768, we'll buy for 780, 779, 780. And as long as it is trades below 769 and 768, we'll short for 759 and 760 levels. Next stock is ICICI. So ICICI is also having very, very good resistance at 1260 and 65 levels. So as long as it is holding these levels, so we can expect some kind of selling pressure at higher levels. That could bring to 1235 levels again, where this is the gap, and the recent high was also where this gap will act as a very, very good support. So below 1235, we can see very, very good selling, and that can bring to 1220 or even 1208 levels. So this is somewhere around 1218, and next support is somewhere around 1202 levels. So till these levels, we can see the fall in ICICI. So if it holds 1235, we can expect around 1262 to 65 levels, and about 1265, it will try to move equal the length of this channel. So it is somewhere around 1260 to 35. So it is about 25 points. So about 1265, we can see another 25 points move up to 1290. So these are the levels for the stocks and Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. Mark the levels and trade the levels. All the best for tomorrow.